How to find search history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to find search history on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign into your account and tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll down, locate your information and permissions, select it, and now choose the search history from the section. And after waiting for a while, you have to select your Instagram account. So these are all your search history on Instagram. You can review things you have searched for on Instagram in the last 30 days. So if you wish to sort, you can tap on the sort button at top right corner of the screen and choose from oldest to newest as well. So these are all the oldest to newest search history on Instagram. That's all for today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.